Civil danger warning. Stand by for audio portion of this message. A civil danger warning has been issued for Washington, D.C. The serial killer known as the pint-sized slasher has slain 3 victims today and was cited after one of them. The 3 killings were reported at 4:57 a.m., 8:20 a.m., and 1:27 p.m. The slasher was seen fleeing from the 3rd killing, and all 3 bodies have the same marks cut into them. Be cautious at all times until the killer is no longer a threat. Try not to be alone at any time. If you see a body ridden with stab marks, note the time you found it and call authorities immediately.